What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. As always, it's a pleasure having you. And if you're joining us for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button, man, and join this growing family. And definitely click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Today, I'm coming to you with a DIY, a homemade hair treatment, and we're going to be using aloe vera. Now, if you're interested in getting massive hair growth and beautiful hair moisture, definitely stick around because I'm going to be showing you 3 ways how you can use aloe vera to achieve that. So I've gone ahead and washed my leaves. Now I'm going to show you how I prepare it. So I'm going to remove the discolored part of the leaf and the prickly edges, slice it into smaller pieces, remove the skin and scoop out the gel. Now if you don't know, aloe vera is a succulent that grows in sunny climates all over the world. The fleshy leaf of the plant contains a gel that has many natural remedies, and we're going to be using that for our hair today. It has amazing hair benefits. It contains an enzyme which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp, and that helps to condition, leaves the hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, helps to prevent itching on the scalp, and reduces dandruff. So there are many ways to use the aloe vera on your hair, and there are many ways to actually get the juice from it, but I'm showing you my tested and true way, the way I found to be the easiest, the way that works for me, and it doesn't leave any pulp on my hair. And that's actually put it into a blender, blending it thoroughly until it becomes a liquid, and then I would pour this out. And definitely don't forget to strain it to remove the pulp, because that's what caused the residue to leave back on the hair. When you use the aloe vera, the pulp of the aloe vera tends to stick into the strands, and you want to get rid of that, so you have to strain it to get rid of the pulp, and you will leave with a liquid. At first when you blend it, it will become frothy and very fluffy, but if you allow it to sit for some time, it will become this nice liquid that you see here, and then you can just strain that out and pour it into your spray bottle. Now I'm adding my essential oils. I normally use a bunch, but today I'm just using my tea tree oil, and this has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. It helps to improve hair and scalp health, and it also helps to prevent hair loss. So I'm adding a few drops of this into my mixture, and then I'm going to spray it onto my hair. And I found it easier to spray onto the hair because I can work my way around my head from the root along the shaft on the ends of my hair, so it's pretty easy to use when it's in a spray bottle. So this is my hair. It's dry and crusty, way overdue for washing. As you can see, I have a lot of buildup from styling products that I've used over the weeks, and it's just very blah. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair into 4 parts. This will allow me to work around my head and ensure that the product is properly coating every strand of my hair. So I finger part my hair. As you can see, I'm not using a comb. I'm using my fingers to part my hair, and then I'm going to secure each section and then work with one section at a time. So I'm going to be working on this section first, and before I apply my mixture, I'm going to slightly mist my hair with some water. This will soften the hair and prevent it from rubbing too much, reducing the friction and allow it to become more pliable. It will absorb the mixture much easier, and it will kind of help to open up the follicles so that the aloe vera will seep into the strands of the hair easier. So I'm working this along my hair. I'm applying it to my roots and to my strands, and I'm definitely paying a lot of attention to the ends of my hair. Like I always say, it's the oldest part of the hair and it requires a little bit more care. So I'm working this along the entire section of my hair and ensuring that the strands are properly coated. The aloe vera juice will cleanse the hair follicles, stripping it from any extra buildup that have accumulated on the scalp of my hair that I have built up over the days since my last wash day from products that I've been using. And this will also help to remove the debris that block the pores that will eventually hinder hair growth if it is not clarified. So after I've applied the product, I go in with my fingers and massage my scalp and work the product into my scalp. And massaging in general is very good for your hair. It helps with circulation, get that blood flowing, and it also helps, like I said, to remove the buildup and just help that product to penetrate the hair and the scalp much easier. So I'm wrapping this out of the way, and then I'm going to go around my head and repeat the same steps with the different sections. So after I've done this, I'm going to go around my head section by section, and then I'm going to detangle with my fingers. So I'm gliding my fingers through the hair, and each time I meet up on a knot or a kink or a tangle, I would use my fingers to separate the tangles or the knots or the kinks. Gently doing so, be careful not to cause any breakage or any damage to the hair unnecessarily. Shedding is expected, especially after such a long wash time. As you can see at the beginning, my hair was very tangled, so shedding is expected, but the aim is to not get too much shedding or a whole lot of your hair coming out with just that detangle. So now I'm applying a plastic cap, And I usually sit with this for about 15 or 20 minutes. If you want to sit for longer, that's fine. The product is natural, so it's not going to harm the hair in any way. And this will just give the product time to work and do what it's supposed to do. And because you're using a plastic cap, this will trap the body's heat. The heat that's coming from your head will be trapped underneath the cap, and the warmth will kind of help to open up the follicles of the hair and allow the product to seep into the strands and give you a much better result. So this is my hair after I've allowed it to sit for about 20 or 30 minutes, and as you can see, based on how my hair looked initially, you can see that my hair has garnered a lot of moisture and the strands are just looking juicy without doing anything at all. So you can do this one step and you can encourage your hair to grow. And if you're lacking a lot of moisture and your hair is just dry and you can't understand why, you can do this method to actually encourage hair growth and hair moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my regular wash routine, my shampoo, condition, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the second way you can use aloe vera to encourage hair growth and hair moisture. So the next way I use my aloe vera juice is as a liquid leave-in in my lock method. I normally use the lock method to hydrate my hair, moisturize it, and seal moisture in for a longer time. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it means you probably haven't seen my lock video. I'm going to leave it below in the description box and in the cards above. If you've seen it, this part of the video is going to make a lot more sense to you. I normally use plain water, just plain water as my liquid leave-in to hydrate my hair and hydrate my strands. Now I'm substituting the water for the aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice contains vitamins A, vitamin C, and E, which contributes to cell turnover, which leads to healthy cell growth and shiny hair. It also has vitamin B12 and folic acid, which helps to prevent hair loss. It also helps to repair damaged cells in the scalp and improve hair follicles health and improve your circulation in your scalp as well, and that in turn results in hair regrowth of your hair, boosting your hair. As you can see, the difference between the sides, this side that I've applied the aloe vera juice is bouncy and shine and has a nice luster to it, versus the other side, you can see that it is lack sheen and it's not very shiny, and I've only added the aloe vera juice. This is just the aloe vera juice, and you can see the difference in the hair when you apply it in just one go. So adding aloe vera juice to your routine to help moisturize your hair will boost your hair growth. It will stimulate your scalp to produce more hair, and as a result give you healthy hair and nice moisturized hair. So the next way I apply my aloe vera juice to my hair is as a styling product. I'm misting my hair now with some water to make it a little bit more pliable, and then I'm going to apply my aloe vera juice, and this is going to add moisture to my hair, makes my hair soft and nice and juicy, add a really nice sheen to it. And this is just if during the week after I've washed my hair I decide that I want to style my hair into a particular way, I would apply my aloe vera juice to the hair and I would just style my hair as normal, and it will give me that nice sheen and that softness that I'm looking for. And aloe vera juice is also high in protein and vitamins and minerals, and that helps to prevent fallout. So because you have that support in your hair and that rich protein content in your hair, it will prevent a lot of fallout when you tug on your hair or when you comb the hair or try to detangle. It makes your hair a little bit more resistant than it would be normally because of that protein and the minerals that are in aloe vera juice. It also has antifungal and antiviral properties that helps to soothe any itchy scalp you may be experiencing, whether it is from flakes, fungus, dandruff, whatever it is. It will help to soothe the scalp because of its antifungal and antiviral property. It also hydrates the hair, like I mentioned before. My hair feels soft and moist and hydrated. It hydrates the hair and prevents flaking on the skin and of the scalp, which, like for example, dandruff and fungus, like I mentioned earlier. Because it helps to hydrate and prevent dryness in the hair, it will also prevent flaking of the scalp, and as a result reduce any hair problems that you may be experiencing. So you can use your aloe vera juice in so many ways: at the beginning of your wash, after you wash, and even throughout your week when you're styling your hair before you decide to wash your hair again. That's three amazing ways you can use this aloe vera juice to just boost your hair growth and to add so much moisture to your hair. It's natural, it's plant-based, and it is so amazing, and it is so affordable. So who wouldn't want to try this? If you've tried this before, I love to know how it worked for you. Or are there any other ways that you've tried it? Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know also if you've tried it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, guys, when you come back and watch and like the video. It really helps, so I appreciate you for doing that. And like I said, continue to share the videos with persons that you know may be interested, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't just watch the video and leave and come back again. Subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. And until next time, guys, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.